everyone! Welcome to Grace Daily English.
Look at the snow! It is so white!
Brr. It is cold today.
Ethan, zip up your jacket.
Thanks, Grace. I am okay now. Is everyone warm?
Maya, where is your scarf? Keep your neck warm.
I have my yellow scarf, Mom. It is soft. Look! I have blue gloves! I am ready to touch the snow.
Good. And I have my super goggles. They make me go fast. Okay, let's race.
Stop, Ethan. Not yet. We must learn how to ski safely first. Look at my skis. This is French fries. Parallel. It makes you go fast, but to stop, you make a pizza shape. Big triangle.
French fries to go. Pizza to stop. Easy.
Pizza? French fries? I am not hungry. I am a pro. Watch this. Woohoo! Look at me. I am flying. The wind is my friend.
Wow!
Wait, I'm going too fast. Whoa! 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 How do I stop? Oh no! No! A big pile of snow. Dad crashed into the snow.
Is he okay? Poor Dad.
We must go down to help him. Are you ready to ski?
Yes, Mom. We are ready.
Okay, follow me. Remember what I taught you. Use the pizza shape to slow down and stop.
Yeah! Pizza shape, slow down and stop. Dad is a snowman.
Brr! That was cold.
Next time, please listen, Ethan. Safety first.
Yeah, you are right. We must always listen to instructions. We need to learn how to stay safe.
Did you learn new words today? Pizza shape, French fries, or safety?
Do you like snow? Tell us in the comments. Please like and share this video if you had fun.
And don't forget to subscribe to Grace Daily English for more fun stories.
Bye-bye. See you next time.
Next time.